Okay, in this video I want to actually cover these aspects that I saw, which is Nigerian bank. You can look at it here. I don't want to activate any other thing, but you can see, look at bank wire. Visa was the last one I tried. Skrill works, Nectella also works, Perfect Money works. Now this is card. This is card, which also works with pays off APM. Now this is Nigerian bank transfer. So I want to check it out and see how it is. So let's say I'm crediting with like 10,000 naira. I'm depositing 10,000 naira. So we got to find out how it works. Okay, how would you like to pay? Okay, they said here select a bank. Okay, you can see all the banks available: Access Bank, First Bank, GTB Bank, Sterling Bank, Zenith, Unity, Providus Bank. Now, wow, where that one did for Nigeria. All right, let me select GTB. You can see GTB, right? So we say pay with GTB. They might show me code or something to pay. Okay, proceed. Okay, Flutterwave Tech website. I'm also seeing this for the first time, like you're seeing it. So I don't know how this works. I don't know how this works really, but I'm also seeing it for the first time as you're seeing it. So let's see how it is. They said username and password. GT internet banking. No, I don't use internet banking, so I don't think this is gonna work. Account transfer. Okay, account transfer instant. I'm checking as I don't use internet banking. I only use all these USD banking, so I'm not sure which will work. Let's see. You can see this requires a username and password for internet banking. I don't do internet banking, so I may not be able to use this. So what I would like to do is probably go back. I'll have to go back. I'm gonna start this all over again. 10K. I'm gonna use next. I don't use if it is for, I think diamond, I have that for diamond, so maybe I'm going to select diamond, but I don't think there is diamond there. It may be access. Okay, there is access, there is First Bank, so access. Okay, look at the account number I'm to pay to is there already, so fill out this form, account number. Okay, that will be my own account number, 42013951. So this is my access account. Let's see how this will go. You know, it's a diamond ton. You can see, sorry, that account is invalid. How is it invalid? Because it's diamond ton access. So okay, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna select maybe First Bank. Okay, pay with First Bank. Let's see if I remember my First Bank stuff. Okay, I'm just trying to pay and see which will work. Now it said my account number, so let me see what's my account number for First Bank. Okay, I have to pause this and get my account number. Okay, I've been able to copy my First Bank account, so I'll say continue. I don't even know whether I have enough cash there, but I think I should have. Okay, look at what it said. Notice you're making a payment with account number for the very first time. The next step with online payment. That is to make now they expect you to read all this stuff and agree to it. Select card. Which one is my first bank card? Just a minute, I need to pause. Okay, I think I've seen the one with my first bank card, so I'm supposed to enter part of my card. I've already done that. I'm to enter my PIN, so I'll have to pause here and I'll be right. Okay, I have entered my PIN, so now I can press continue. What they actually requested for is using my card, using my PIN, and I believe I can do this. Now they said OTP will be sent to me. I'll enter all this information. So I'll have to pause, fill in all this information, and then we'll continue. Okay, I have entered all the required information, so I can click on continue. Okay, the password I set is not right. They said it require one more information, so let me add like hash to it. Now let's see, continue. You can see all the process. I'm also just seeing this for the first time, so I'm entering it for the first time. Hey, payment completed. All right, let's see how much 10,000 will give us. That should be like 24, like 26 or $25. So let's see how much. $27. Okay, that's good. That's nice. So bank online. So I'm going to test this process. I've just deposited $27. So I'm going to trade and also check out the withdrawal. You can see I use my card directly. So I'm excited that they have this available. I want my student to look into this. So in the next video, I'm going to be covering how I traded and made profit and withdraw into that account. God bless you. See you in another video.